Hello you guys, today we're going to be making some really yummy cinnabon, and this is a very simple recipe. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. These don't take very long because we're going to be cheating. We're going to be using our croissant dough. So this is just a sheet of dough. It's ready to use and it will be so quick, so get ready. I've got here 1 cup, and this is exactly 1 cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to be adding some ground cinnamon. And I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons. That's 1, 2, and 3. And mix this together. So once you mix that together, here I have some melted butter. This is 2 tablespoons total. And you just want to quickly unroll your dough. And once you take your dough out, just unroll it. Be very careful. Stretch it out just a little, just to make it even everywhere. And go ahead and put your brown sugar and cinnamon. Try to be even and stay away from the edges. Just pat it down. Drizzle butter, the 2 tablespoons from earlier. Just drizzle that over the top. And now you want to be very careful. Just roll it. And that's beautiful. And get ready to cut it. And just before you cut it, just make sure you give your tray a good spray of oil. That way they can go in right away. Alright, that's perfect. And what I'm gonna do, I've grabbed a piece of string. So you want to lay this in the middle and cut your first piece. And this does a much better job than the knife. So cut it in half. And then cut again in another half. You don't have to be even, but I think the string does a much sharper and nicer job. That's 2. And the same thing on the other side. And there we go. I'm gonna give this another cut. That's 1. So this is ready. You just place that in. And here I've laid them on my sheet so that I can bake them. I have already preheated my oven, like I said, to 350 degrees. So I'm going to put these in for about 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes, just until I see that they've fluffed up and they've got the nice golden, pretty brown color that we're looking for. So pop these in the oven and get ready to make your icing. Alright you guys, so the icing is actually very simple. It's not a lot of ingredients and it tastes amazing. I've already melted some cream cheese in here for about 30 seconds in the microwave so that it's soft. It was 4 ounces total, so it's half a package of cream cheese, which is exactly 4 ounces. And here I have also 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to be using exactly like 1 square of lemon juice, so about 1 teaspoon. I don't have any vanilla extract, so I'm going to be using caramel extract, which also tastes really good. And I also have 1 cup of sugar. So I'm going to start by mixing the square of lemon juice, my butter, and the caramel extract. So about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add that in. That smells so good. And give this a good mix. I like to mix it with my spoon at first so that it doesn't just go everywhere. And then slowly add in my powdered sugar. And once you've gotten to this consistency, and I'm also adding walnuts. You can either do walnuts or pecans. I'm just going to give this a good crush. Alright, that's beautiful. And you guys, here we have our finished glaze, and this is so delicious. This smells so fantastic. Fresh out the oven. You can kind of see some of the melted brown sugar on the sides, but they are so delicious and they smell good. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on my plate and then show you guys how I dress them. And once you've laid them out, you can start with dressing your glaze on top. It smells so good. Cinnamon, caramel. And you guys, because these are still so hot, when you put the caramel dressing or the glaze on top, it like instantly melts. You just go ahead and add your crushed walnuts. And enjoy. These are so good. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you have any questions or you want to comment, please comment below. Also, if you want me to continue making videos, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.